this is going to be a video about linear approximation, and in this case we are finding the linear approximation L of x to f at x sub 0. So I'm going to do that one first. So part A, it says find the linear approximation. So basically what we're going to be looking for, this L of x is going to be equal to the equation of a tangent line at x equals 4 for f of x. Okay, which is equal to the square root of x. So first thing we need to do to find the equation of a tangent line is find the slope. So I'm going to find the derivative here, and you're going to get 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. Now we need to find the derivative at x equals 4. So I'm going to plug in 4 for x here. So you end up with 1/2 times 4 to the negative 1/2 power, which is going to be equal to 1/4. Okay, so now that we have our slope for the line, I'm going to write out our equation here for the approximation. It's going to be 1/4 x plus b. Now we need to figure out what our b is. In order to do that, I need an x and a y. Our x is 4, and our y would just be 2 because you're plugging the 4 into the square root of x. So it's going to be 1/4 times 4 plus b is equal to 2. Then we're going to solve this out. This will be 1. So b is equal to 1. So your L of x equation, I'm going to write it up here. L of x equation is going to be equal to 1/4 x plus 1. So I can use this equation to find any approximation that I'm looking for. So that's part A. Part B, it says use this approximation to find the approximate value at x equals c. Here's c right here at 4.5. So what I'm going to do for part B is I'm going to put 4.5 into this L of x equation. So 4.5 is our input, and we have 4.5 over 4 plus 1. This is going to be equal to, so this will be equal to 2.125. Okay, so that finds our value for B. And then for C, it's saying compare this approximation with the exact value. So what I'm going to do is find f of 4.5. So I'm going to have to plug this into my calculator to get this value. And you end up with 2.121320344. So what I'm going to do here is to compare them, I'm just going to subtract these two values and take the absolute value of that. And you end up with a difference of 0.00367 and a bunch of other change. If we're going to round this to 3 decimal places, which you have to do, it would be off by this. So the approximation was an overestimate. So approximation overestimated or over approximated by 0.004. So that's another linear approximation problem. If you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know.